What's more empowering than growing a majestic beard? Crafting your very own beard balm. Today, we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to show you how. Dive into the world of DIY beard care, where each ingredient has a purpose, and every balm is a badge of your craftsmanship. Stay with us for 5 easy steps to the ultimate DIY beard balm. The inspiration behind the blend. Our beard care adventure began with Zeus's Beard Balm, a fantastic product at about $25 a tin that sparked a thought. Why not create a beard balm that'll last all year for a fraction of the cost? Crafting a balm seemed like the ideal way to blend personal care with personal creativity. Plus, the cost-effectiveness of DIY compared to store-bought options was too good to ignore. The ingredients. Making the perfect DIY beard balm starts with the perfect ingredients. Incorporating the following into your beard care routine can significantly improve your beard's health and appearance while benefiting the skin beneath. So let's dive into the all-natural ingredients we'll be using for our 5-step DIY beard balm. Beeswax. This isn't just wax, it's the backbone of your balm, giving it structure and hold. When cooled, it solidifies, forming the base of your balm. Here's how beeswax benefits your skin and beard. Moisture retention. Beeswax is a natural barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. This is especially beneficial for beard hair, keeping it hydrated and preventing the brittle texture that often leads to breakage. Skin protection. For the skin underneath your beard, beeswax protects against environmental elements. This barrier guards against the harsh effects of wind, cold, and pollution. Styling aid. Beeswax's firming properties help in styling. It provides a natural hold that keeps the beard in shape without the stiffness or greasiness of synthetic products. Natural origin. As a natural product, beeswax is a great choice for those seeking eco-friendly and sustainable grooming options. Shea butter. A magical ingredient for texture. It melts just right in your hands, making application a breeze. If you prefer cocoa butter, it's a fantastic alternative. Here's what shea butter can do for you. Soothing properties. Known for its anti-inflammatory qualities, shea butter can soothe irritated skin, a common issue for those growing out their beards. It helps in reducing redness and itchiness. Enhances elasticity. Shea butter contributes to the skin's elasticity, maintaining its healthy and youthful appearance. This is particularly beneficial for the skin under the beard, which often gets neglected in grooming routines. Natural beard softener. Shea butter acts as a natural conditioner when applied to the beard. It helps soften the beard, making it easier to comb and style without the heaviness or greasiness of synthetic products. Rich in vitamins. Packed with vitamins A and E, shea butter has antioxidant properties that protect the skin and hair from environmental damage, promoting overall beard and skin health. Carrier oils. Argan, sweet almond, and grapeseed oil trio is a powerhouse. If you're looking for oils to use, you won't need much else outside of these. Argan oil, liquid gold for your beard. Deep conditioning. Argan oil is renowned for its intense moisturizing abilities. It penetrates deeply into the beard, hair, and skin, providing lasting hydration. Rich in nutrients. Packed with antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids, it nourishes both the skin and hair, promoting a healthier, shinier beard. Sweet almond oil, gentle nourishment. Hypoallergenic, particularly gentle on the skin, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Improves circulation. Regular use can improve blood circulation to the face, encouraging beard growth and vitality. Grapeseed oil, lightweight moisturizer. Non-greasy. Grapeseed oil is lighter than many other oils, absorbing quickly into the skin and hair without leaving a greasy residue. Antioxidant powerhouse. High in antioxidants, it protects the skin and hair from environmental stressors. Promotes growth. The linoleic acid in grapeseed oil can promote hair growth and help maintain robust beard health. Together, these elements create more than just a beard balm. They form a blend that styles, soothes, and rejuvenates your beard and skin underneath. Ever wonder why beards often get itchy and start to flake? The culprit is usually dry skin beneath the beard. Factors like harsh weather, hot showers, and the use of heavy facial products strip away natural oils, leaving the skin parched and irritated. This leads to the dreaded beardruff, that annoying itch. Don't worry, the right beard care routine can combat these issues, keeping your beard and the skin underneath healthy and comfortable. 5 steps to crafting your beard balm. Are you ready to craft your own signature beard balm? Let's roll up our sleeves and begin the journey that transforms simple ingredients into a powerful beard balm conditioner. This process isn't just about mixing and melting, it's about infusing your personality into a jar. It's about taking control of what goes into your beard care and understanding each element's role. The melting process. Step 1. Melt to merge. Start with 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Ideally, you'll want to use beeswax pellets, making it easier to blend and melt. Next, add 2 tablespoons of unrefined shea butter in a pot over the stove on the lowest heat possible and whisk periodically until it's all nice and melted down. Notice the transformation as they blend into a golden pool, creating the perfect base for your balm. This step is where solid wax and butter become a smooth, malleable mixture. Step 2. Infuse the oils. Next, turn off the heat and introduce 10 teaspoons of carrier oils, 4 teaspoons of argan, 4 teaspoons of sweet almond, and finish off with 2 teaspoons of grapeseed. Each drop nourishes, moisturizes, and heals your beard. As you stir, you're binding these oils into a cohesive, potent blend. This is the heart of your balm, where the moisturizing power comes alive. Adding your signature scent. Step 3. Aromatic twist. This is an optional step, but no doubt will take your beard balm to the next level. We recommend going for sweet orange and lime for a zesty, refreshing aroma. But this is where you can get creative. Choose essential oils that resonate with you, whether you prefer a woodsy, citrusy, or spicy scent. Pro tip, if your mixture starts to clump up as you add the essential oils, just turn on low heat and melt back down. Final touches. Step 4. Cool to conclude. Pour your liquid concoction into tins. In about 15 minutes, it begins to solidify, a sign of your DIY journey coming to fruition. Watch as it transforms into a usable, nourishing beard balm right before your eyes. Step 5. Batching up. After you've mastered the basics, why stop at one batch? This is the perfect opportunity to scale up your production. This step is about thinking bigger and planning ahead. It's perfect for those who want to stock up or share their creation with friends and family. By batching up, you're not just making more beard balm, you're refining your technique, getting faster and better with each batch. The advantages of DIY beard balm. Beyond the beard. When you embrace DIY beard balm, you step into a world of unmatched economic wisdom and personal customization. With just $60 worth of ingredients, you can create a year's supply or more, tailoring scents and textures to your liking, ensuring you never run out of your personalized beard care treasure. So there you have it, a complete guide to making your own beard balm. Every step, from melting beeswax to choosing your favorite scents, is an adventure in grooming and self-reliance. Have you tried making your own beard balm yet? What ingredients did you use? Share your experiences, tips, or questions in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this DIY journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more grooming insights. Until next time, embrace the satisfaction of using a product made by you for you.